Wally the Wombat's Letter W Adventure. Once upon a time, there was a friendly wombat named Wally. Wally loved his name because it starts with the letter W. One sunny morning, Wally decided to go on a big adventure to find other friends who start with the letter W. First, Wally went to the cold blue ocean. There, he saw a big walrus sitting on the ice. The walrus had 2 long tusks and a very wiggly mustache. "Hello," said Wally. "Your name starts with W, just like mine. W is for walrus." Next, Wally walked to the grassy field. He met a dusty warthog with little tusks and a happy tail. The warthog loved to dig in the dirt. Wally cheered. "W is for warthog." They shared a little wiggle and a laugh together. W is for warthog. Wally then spotted a tiny weasel popping out of a hole. The weasel was very fast and had soft, brown fur. He zipped around Wally's toes. "Wait for me, little weasel," Wally giggled. "You are another wonderful W friend. W is for weasel." Suddenly, a giant splash came from the deep water. It was a massive whale waving its tail. The whale blew water high into the air. Wally looked up in awe. "Wow," he shouted. "W is for a very big whale in the sea. W is for whale." In the tall grass, Wally saw a wildebeest running with a herd. The wildebeest had strong horns and ran very fast on its hooves. Wally waved his paws. Wildebeest starts with W. He barked happily as the herd moved by. W is for wildebeest. As the sun began to set, Wally heard a long howl. It was a silver wolf sitting on a hill. The wolf looked at the moon and said, "Oh, woo!" Wally tucked his ears in and whispered, "The wolf is a beautiful W friend too. W is for wolf." Deep in the dark woods, Wally found a fuzzy wolverine. The wolverine looked very strong and had sharp claws for climbing. Even though he looked tough, he gave Wally a small nod. "W is for Wolverine," Wally noted in his head. "W is for Wolverine." High up in a tree, Wally heard a tap-tap-tap sound. It was a woodpecker using its beak on the bark. The woodpecker had bright feathers. "You work so hard, woodpecker," Wally called out. "Another amazing W bird. W is for woodpecker." Wally looked down at the wet ground and saw a pink worm wiggling in the mud. The worm was small and stretchy. Wally smiled down at the soil. "Even the little worm starts with the letter W," he said softly. "W is for worm." Finally, a yellow wasp flew past Wally's nose with a quiet bzzz. The wasp had stripes and stayed very busy in the air. Wally watched it fly away into the garden. A wasp is the last W friend I see today. W is for wasp. What a wonderful day! Wally the Wombat found the walrus, warthog, weasel, whale, wildebeest, wolf, wolverine, woodpecker, worm, and wasp. They all start with the letter W. Can you say W with Wally?